Shall we start now? Eighth problem. Eighth problem, what is it given? From the following receipts and payments account and the additional information given below, calculate the amount of subscription to be shown on income and expenditure account for the year ending 31st December 2018. Receipt side and payment side. Already was explained receipts and payments account. Receipts and payments account related with revenue and capital nature. Now you prepare income and expenditure account. Income and expenditure account related with only in the current year. Not related with previous year, not related with subsequent year. Only in the current year only. Now see subscription. Every year receive subscription from members, not for non-members, only for members. Now see, receipts and payments account is given. Subscription received 2008 17 28,000, 2018 1,72,000. So 2018 is a current year. 2019 12,000 rupees. Total subscription received during the year 31st December 2018 2,12,000 rupees. Next, additional information. Subscription outstanding for the year 2018 is 8,000 rupees. This is for what is it? Current year outstanding subscription. Current year outstanding subscription. Now, total subscription received during the year 2,12,000 rupees. 2,12,000 rupees. So, total subscription received during the year 2,12,000 rupees. Out of that, 2017 subscription received 28,000 rupees. That is last year outstanding subscription 28,000 rupees. Now less, because in the income and expenditure account, income side, this subscription is an income side, related with only in the current year, not related with previous year, not related with subsequent year. So 2017 is an outstanding subscription in the last year, previous year. So less in the income and expenditure account, income side. Now 28,000, the balance 1,84,000. Next one, 2019 subscription 12,000 rupees is given. This is for what is it means? Subsequent year subscription. Subsequent year subscription means less subsequent year subscription 12,000 rupees. Now total subscription received during the year 1,72,000. Now total subscription received during the year 1,72,000. Add outstanding subscription in current year. Current year outstanding subscription. Current year outstanding subscription not yet received but earned but not yet received 8,000 rupees. Now total subscription during the year 1,80,000. Are you right? Are you clear? Total subscription received during the year. Total subscription received during the year 2,12,000 rupees. Out of that, this is previous year outstanding subscription 2017 subscription 28,000 rupees. Not related in current year. In income and expenditure account, only related with only in the current year nature, not related with previous year, not related with subsequent year, only in current year. Those incomes are earned. Now total subscription received, previous year subscription, outstanding subscription 28,000. Now next, 2019 subscription received, that is what is it? Subsequent year subscription received in advance 12,000 rupees. Now total subscription received during the year 1,72,000 but earned 1,80,000, not yet received 8,000 rupees. That is outstanding subscription in current year 8,000. Total subscription received during the year 1,72,000 but earned 1,80,000. Out of 1,80,000, 8,000 rupees not yet received. Not yet received. I think you are clear. Next, how this item appear in the balance sheet? Balance sheet. Listen, in the balance sheet, liability side and asset side. Liability side and asset side. Outstanding subscription. Current year outstanding subscription not yet received 8,000 rupees shown on the asset side of the balance sheet. In liability side, subscription received in advance. Advance subscription received 12,000 rupees. This is shown on the liability side of the balance sheet. Asset side, outstanding subscription 8,000 rupees. Now let us move on to next sum, income and expenditure account. Next sum is what sum means? Receipts and payments account for the year ended 31st March 2019. Subscription 2017-18 10,000 rupees, 18-19 50,000 rupees, 19-20 5,000 rupees. Now total subscription received during the year 31st March 2019 65,000. Total subscription received during the year 65,000. Now additional information, there are 200 members in the club, each paying an annual subscription 400 rupees. 200 members, each member want to pay 400 rupees in annual subscription per subscription. Now total subscription want to be received 80,000 rupees. 80,000 rupees. But current year subscription received only for 50,000 rupees. Current year subscription received only for 50,000 rupees. Now how much outstanding subscription means? Total subscription want to be on 80,000 but received only for 50,000. 30,000 rupees is outstanding subscription in current year. Subscription still outstanding for the year 17-18 2,000 rupees. That is 17-18 to 2,000 rupees not yet received still date. So how this item appear in income and expenditure account? Now total subscription received during the year 65,000 rupees. Out of that 17-18 subscription 10,000 rupees included this amount 65,000 rupees. 10,000. So this subscription income and expenditure account, in income and expenditure accounts, one mistake, income side, this is an expenditure side. Now subscription received 65,000, out of that last year outstanding subscription 10,000 rupees. Only in the current year, not related with previous year. So less 10,000 rupees. 55,000. Next, received subscription in advance. Advance subscription. Subsequent year subscription received in current year. This is related with only in the current year, not related with previous year, not related with subsequent year. Subsequent year subscription received in advance 5,000 rupees. So less. Now total subscription earned 50,000 rupees. Received 50,000 rupees. Next, outstanding subscription. Current year outstanding subscription 30,000. How 30,000 means? 200 members, each member paying 400 rupees per head. Now total subscription want to be received 80,000 rupees but earn only for 50,000. Now want to be received 30,000. That 30,000 is an outstanding subscription. Now total subscription shown in the income and expenditure account, income side 80,000 rupees. In balance sheet, I'll give note, 200 members, each paying annual subscription 400 rupees, total subscription 80,000. But received in current year 50,000 only, want to be received 30,000. That is current year outstanding subscription. I think, are you clear? Next, balance sheet as on 31st March 2019, liability side and asset side. Outstanding subscription 2017-18, outstanding subscription 2,000 rupees not yet received so till date. So 2,000 rupees shown on the asset side of the balance sheet. Next, current year outstanding subscription 30,000 rupees not yet received. So 30,000 in the asset side. Total assets in the asset side 32,000. Now liability side, received in advance 5,000 rupees. Received in advance 5,000 rupees. I think you are all clear. 10th sum. How will the following items appear in the final accounts of club for the year ended 31st March 2017 received subscription 40,000 rupees during the year 16-17. This includes subscription 5,000 rupees for 15-16, that is last year subscription, 3,000 rupees for 17-18, subscription still outstanding 1,000 rupees, current year outstanding subscription 16-17. Now the current year is which year means 16-17, current year 16-17. Now total subscription received during the year 40,000 rupees. Current year subscription received 40,000 rupees. Out of that 5,000 rupees last year outstanding subscription. 5,000 rupees previous year outstanding subscription. 5,000 rupees. So less 5,000, so 35,000. Less subsequent year subscription. Subsequent year subscription 17-18. Current year is 16-17. Then subsequent year 17-18, 3,000 rupees. Yes, 3,000. 3,000 rupees. Now total subscription received during the year 32,000. But earn only 33,000, 1,000 rupees not yet received. That is an outstanding subscription in current year. Current year, the still outstanding for the year 2016-17, that is a current year outstanding subscription 1,000 rupees. Total subscription earned during the year 33,000, 1,000 rupees not yet received. Now received only for 32,000, 1,000 rupees not yet received. So add 1,000 rupees shown on the income and expenditure account, 33,000. Next one is balance sheet. Balance sheet as on 31st March 2017. 31st March 2017. Occurred subscription, still outstanding subscription. This current year outstanding subscription shown on the balance sheet asset side. Balance sheet asset side. Advanced subsequent year subscription shown on the liability side. Occurred outstanding subscription shown on the asset side of the balance sheet. Then liability side received in advance. Advance subscription. Subsequent year subscription received in advance. That is 3,000 rupees shown on the balance sheet liability side. Last sum, 11th sum. Compute income from subscription for the year 2018 from the following particulars relating to the club. Particulars: 1st January 2018, 31st December 2018, outstanding subscription in previous year, outstanding subscription in current year. Outstanding subscription in previous year, outstanding subscription in current year. Subscription received in advance previous year. Current year subscription received in previous year. This is for 4,000 rupees current year subscription received in previous year. So add in income and expenditure account subscription. Then subsequent year subscription received in current year. This 7,000 rupees given in the problem. This is for subsequent year subscription received in current year. Now subscription received during the year how much means 2018, 45,000. Subscription received during the year 2018, 45,000. Now outstanding subscription previous year, current year is given. Previous year 3,000, current year subscription 5,000 rupees. This current year subscription only related with current year alone, not related with previous year. Subscription received in advance. This subscription, current year subscription received in previous year, received in advance. Now you understood, I think, by current year subscription received in previous year. Then subsequent year subscription 7,000 rupees received in current year. Out of 45,000, those are all received in current year. Now how this item appear in the income and expenditure account? Income side. Income, expenditure. Expenditure side is a debit side, income side is a credit side. It is like a nominal account. All incomes are entered in credit side, all expenses are entered in debit side. Now subscription received during the year 31st December 2018. Subscription received during the year 31st December 2018 total subscription received 45,000. Total subscription received 45,000. Out of 45,000, outstanding subscription received previous year. That year is 1st January 2018. So less, not related with current year. It's related with previous year. So it is a less. Now 42,000. Next, current year outstanding subscription. Current year 31st December 2018. 31st December 2018. Current year subscription received 5,000 rupees. Outstanding subscription. Are you clear? Current year outstanding subscription 5,000 rupees. Now total subscription 47,000. Next, current year subscription received in earlier advance 1st January 2018 4,000 rupees. So add current year advance subscription received in previous year. So 4,000 rupees. Now total subscription 51,000. Next, subsequent year subscription. Subsequent year subscription, this 7,000 rupees received in current year. Subsequent year subscription received in current year. Now this income and expenditure account, the subscription related with income and expenditure account only related with current year alone. If those incomes are gone, those expenditures are made only in the current year, not related with previous year, not related with subsequent year, only in current year. Now subsequent year subscription received in advance 31st December 2018 7,000 rupees. Now total subscription earned received, total subscription received earned 44,000. Out of 44,000, how much outstanding means 5,000 rupees outstanding, not yet received. 5,000 rupees not yet received, but earning 44,000. Out of 44,000, 5,000 rupees not yet received. So this 5,000 rupees, shown on the balance sheet asset side. Shown on the balance sheet asset side. This are received. That is what is it? Advanced subscription 7,000 rupees shown on the balance sheet liability side. Now look here, balance sheet outstanding subscription 5,000 rupees shown on the asset side of the balance sheet because outstanding subscription in current year 5,000 rupees not yet received. This is already received, liability side, already received, subscription received in advance 7,000 rupees. Now total subscription earned 44,000. This is shown on the balance sheet, asset side and liability side. I believe you are all clear now how this item appear in the income and expenditure account and balance sheet subscription appeared. Next, in homework, illustration 8 and 9. I think all are doing properly, all are did properly or not, I don't know. Anyway, you do properly. Thank you, children.